everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today I am excited to show you how I make this flavorful and delicious cream of broccoli soup without using cream. This is also a heart-healthy soup. If you are watching your fat and salt intakes, definitely give this soup a try. Start with 8 ounces or about 12 to 14 medium broccoli florets. Cut the large florets into a small size. This will make it easier to blend later. Use some water to soften the broccoli in the microwave until they're fork tender. It usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. While the broccoli is in the microwave, open a can of cannellini beans, aka white kidney beans. If you are watching your salt intake, check the full label to get canned goods that have least amount of sodium. See how these 2 cans of beans have quite different amount of sodium in them? Now back to making our soup. Blend 1 can of cannellini beans, including the bean liquid, with some water for 60 seconds. The starch in the bean liquid will help to make our soup creamy. Pour the blended bean liquid into a pan and set aside for now. I know this bean liquid looks pretty thin right now, but it will get thicker, I promise. When the broccoli florets are ready, place them in the blender and add some water. Because I like some texture in my cream of broccoli soup, I only blended the broccoli for 5 to 10 seconds so I can have small pieces of broccoli in the soup. Blend the broccoli longer if you like your soup totally smooth. Cook the blended broccoli and bean liquid on medium heat. Add dried basil, onion powder, garlic powder, and kosher salt. If you use regular salt, only use 1/8 teaspoon, otherwise the soup may get too salty. Now just stir everything until the soup gets hot. See the steam and the bubbles here? This means we're ready to add shredded Romano cheese. Turn off the stove after the cheese has melted. Add fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavor of this soup. An 8-ounce cup of this soup has less than 400 milligrams of sodium and less than 3 grams of fat. Definitely a yummy, heart-healthy soup that you can eat all the time. Optional black pepper and croutons if you like. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.